Bondi Beach is Australia's most iconic seaside destination, drawing millions of visitors each year to experience its golden sands, rolling waves, and vibrant coastal lifestyle. Located just 8 kilometres from the heart of Sydney, Bondi is easy to reach by bus or car, making it the perfect half-day or full-day escape. Stretching for about 1 kilometre, the beach offers plenty of space for swimmers, surfers, sunbathers and families to enjoy the classic Aussie beach experience. At the southern end sits the world-famous Bondi Icebergs pool, where you can swim laps while ocean waves crash into the pool beside you, an experience found nowhere else in the world. Along the promenade, you'll find buzzing cafés, stylish shops, lively bars, and weekend markets that add to the energetic atmosphere. Bondi is also a great place to dive into Australia's surf culture. Visitors can book surf lessons right on the beach, watch locals carve up the waves, or simply enjoy the spectacle from the shoreline. In summer, the beach hosts festivals, outdoor fitness classes, and events like Sculpture by the Sea, which transforms the coastal walk into an outdoor art gallery. Whether you're here to relax, explore, or immerse yourself in Sydney's laid-back lifestyle, Bondi Beach is a must-see. It's the perfect blend of natural beauty and buzzing atmosphere, making it one of the most memorable stops on any Australian holiday. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Bondi Beach with the Holiday Hunter. If you enjoyed the stunning views, travel tips, and hidden gems, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps us share Australia's beauty with more adventurers like you. And of course, subscribe to the Holiday Hunter so you never miss out on our next destination. From iconic beaches to hidden bushwalks, we're here to help you discover Australia, one town at a time. See you on the next adventure.